Vibes leader.
Happy birthday, my friend.
manage it. Listen this now and tell me if I'm wrong. I'm going to go there, so Vince, pay attention. Sorry, Mickey. Tell me if I'm wrong. Anything I say wrong, tell me that I'm wrong. West Indian women are the best women on the planet.
Boom, Chicken is a representative of Reggae Vibe Media and a realist media. Members have used the Reggae Vibe discount code to get discount from Dream Weekend. You know, so we're there Dream Weekend, New York, and it's a blast. We're there all white Daydream. Where you see it, the whole place with popping, the girl them come out clean. The thugs them come out for the girl them. You don't know, it's a good look. So we're there Reggae Vibe Media, real media. And the press and the cleaner. You know what I say? Because Reggae Vibe Media. You understand me I say? So this is the party. You cannot beat to complete. You understand me I say? We're the number one Reggae Vibe Media. You can't have Dream Weekend and you can't have Reggae without Reggae Vibe Media. Remember, click the link for the discount code and you get discount and all the Dream Weekend thing. You understand me I say? So we are here right now. Boom, Reggae Vibe. Vibes in it. Right now. Bam.
This will answer all questions. If you can still do this dance, that means you are still in the same physical form that you were in when the song came out. If you was partying when these songs came out originally, that means we're old.
Ready here, New York City, you don't know Bronx crew. One team wasted. One and only team wasted. You don't know Papa and Prince. The whole team Barry, you don't know D22. One team wasted crew the whole away. Here that represent for the Bronx. Remember we tell you that. Here. Number one Barbers and Beauty Salon. 3475 Boston Road. One team wasted. Hear that? Ready? Remember me told you that.
What's it party?
So baby, don't talk to me. Don't tell them what we did last night. None of their business when we catching these flights. Running up the back cause you're the first prize. Money ain't a thing, big bangs when we ride. However you wanna do it, we can play. Wherever you wanna go, baby, just say. You and I Birkin back, baby, slay. One life to live, so don't say. Baby, don't talk to me. You are the one I want. So let me just show you. Don't tell them nothing, my girl. Oh, we pull up on a drop top, middle of the road, green light, we make traffic stop. So baby, don't talk to me. Everything we do is just me. We don't need nobody in this world or two. You're the only one I see in this crowded room. Everybody else disappear like poof. And it's just me and you to the end. Spend like this here, money counting. No, we not been no friend. Badness when we get by the end. Baby, don't talk to me. No shakiness, firm all round. Them say life is the matrix, don't know all know better. Circle your meds, you know I'm mad out. Tell yourself, make a promise, try not fall out. And never wobble out. No, never wobble out. Steady. To the world I run now, me Ben Star. People are hate me, the letter them a stay far. AK a spray every day, blood a fall like rain. Some people wish them coulda run away. Take a plane pan the run away go Spain. Anywhere you go in the world, things are the same. Sufferation of pain when I got some a blame. One of them forget up and make a move, them a lame. No shakiness, firm all round. Them say life is the matrix, don't know all know better. Circle your meds, you know I'm mad out. Tell yourself, make a promise, try not fall out. And never wobble out. No, never wobble out. Steady. Some will come around and them teeth, them a skin up, but don't mean you're not good now. Keep your thing up, plus remember, say no evil they are road. The eyes are windows to the soul, pay attention, it's cold. Whoever said that this life would be the easiest life, them lie, you still have to fight. Fight for what's right. No shakiness, firm all round. Them say life is the matrix, don't know all know better. Circle your meds, you know I'm mad out. To yourself, make a promise, try not fall out. And never wobble out. No.
You know, sister, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, loud explosion, and we make the commotion, yeah. They even dance with them, watch we have emotion, deep and we slow down, yeah. We do it first, got them soft like lotion, and we